What if I told you, the universe is far stranger and more magnificent than we ever imagined, and not any astrology meme on Instagram kind of way. I'm talking about real, mind-bending stuff here. The kind of stuff that makes you question everything you thought you knew about space and time. Well, get ready to have your mind blown wide open. Thanks to the James Webb Space Telescope, we're seeing the cosmos like never before. We're talking galaxies from the dawn of time, planets with glowing atmospheres and maybe, just maybe, signs of alien life. I mean, come on, it doesn't get any cooler than that. This isn't just some incremental improvement in our ability to observe the cosmos. This is a game changer, a total paradigm shift. Buckle up as we dive into the mind-blowing discoveries made by the James Webb Telescope that are rewriting our understanding of space, time, and everything in between. This isn't just astronomy. This is a cosmic revolution. Alright, let's start with the basics. The James Webb Space Telescope, launched in December 2021, is the most powerful space observatory ever built. It's like the Hubble Space Telescope's super-powered, cooler cousin. And when I say cooler, I mean it literally. Unlike Hubble, which primarily sees visible light, Webb is optimized for infrared. Infrared light can pierce through dust clouds, which are like cosmic curtains obscuring our view of the universe. Imagine trying to look at a newborn star hidden inside a dense cloud of gas and dust. In visible light, you wouldn't see a thing. But with infrared, you can see right through that fog, revealing the star in all its glory. Because the speed of light is finite, the farther out we look in space, the further back in time we're seeing. Webb can see objects so incredibly faint and distant that it's essentially looking back over 13.5 billion years. That's right, Webb is literally peering into the past, watching the birth of galaxies shortly after the Big Bang. Talk about a time machine. This is like finding a diary entry from the universe's baby book, giving us an unprecedented glimpse into the earliest moments of existence. And let me tell you folks, what Webb is revealing is nothing short of astonishing. One of the most exciting things about exploring the unknown is that you never know what you're going to find. And boy, did Webb deliver on that front. One of its first surprises, it spotted galaxies that are way older and more developed than they should be, according to our current understanding of the universe. I'm talking about galaxies that existed just a few hundred million years after the Big Bang. Now, astronomers expected to find some early galaxies, but they thought these would be small, faint, and primitive. Instead, they found massive, mature galaxies that were already teeming with stars. These galaxies were more like cosmic grown-ups, which totally threw everyone for a loop. This discovery is forcing scientists to rethink some of their fundamental assumptions about how galaxies form and evolve. Maybe galaxies form much faster than we thought, or maybe there were some exotic processes at play in the early universe that we don't yet understand. Whatever the explanation, it's clear that Webb is challenging our preconceived notions and pushing the boundaries of our knowledge. Now, while peering billions of years into the past is incredibly cool, Webb isn't just focused on the distant universe. It's also looking closer to home, at planets orbiting other stars. We call these planets exoplanets, and they're one of the hottest topics in astronomy today. Why? Because we want to know if we're alone in the universe. And let me tell you, Webb is the ultimate exoplanet hunter. It's equipped with instruments that can analyze the atmospheres of these distant worlds, searching for telltale signs of life. Webb can identify specific molecules like water vapor, carbon dioxide, and even methane. In fact, Webb recently made an incredible discovery while observing the exoplanet WASP-39b. This gas giant, located about 700 light-years away, has an atmosphere rich in water vapor, carbon dioxide, and even sulfur dioxide. Detecting these molecules together, in these specific ratios, suggests that WASP-39b's atmosphere is shaped by complex chemical reactions. Now, we're not saying that WASP-39b is teeming with alien life. It's a scorching hot gas giant after all, not exactly a paradise planet. But these findings do show that Webb has the power to detect the subtle chemical fingerprints of life on other worlds. And that, my friends, is a game changer in the search for extraterrestrial life. Prepare to be visually stunned because we're about to talk about one of Webb's most breathtaking images, the cosmic cliffs. This isn't just a pretty picture, folks. It's a window into one of the most fundamental processes in the universe, the birth of stars. The cosmic cliffs are actually the edge of a giant gaseous cavity within the Carina Nebula, a massive cloud of gas and dust located about 7,500 light-years away. Within its depths, gravity pulls together clumps of gas and dust, causing them to collapse under their own weight. As these clumps collapse, they heat up, eventually igniting nuclear fusion in their cores and bursting to life as stars. Those towering pillars of gas and dust are like cosmic mountains, and embedded within them are countless newborn stars, still shrouded in their natal cocoons. With Webb's incredible infrared vision, we can peer through the dusty veil and witness the very moment stars ignite, casting their brilliant light into the surrounding nebula. It's a cosmic light show billions of years in the making, and we have a front-row seat thanks to Webb. Now let's talk about galaxies, specifically spiral galaxies like our own Milky Way. We've been studying these majestic structures for centuries, but Webb is showing them to us in a whole new light, revealing details we never even knew existed. Take, for example, the Phantom Galaxy, also known as M74. This grand design spiral galaxy, located about 32 million light-years away, has always been a favorite target for astronomers. But with Webb's infrared eyes, we're seeing the Phantom Galaxy like never before. Its delicate spiral arms, traced by glowing lanes of gas and dust, unwind with breathtaking clarity. We can see individual star-forming regions where clusters of young, hot stars blaze with intense radiation, illuminating the surrounding gas and dust. By studying galaxies like M74, we're gaining a deeper appreciation for the intricate processes that shaped our own Milky Way and led to the formation of our solar system. Okay, let's talk about the big question, the one that keeps us all looking up at the stars and wondering, are we alone? Now, Webb wasn't designed specifically to find aliens, but it might just be powerful enough to stumble upon signs of advanced extraterrestrial civilizations. How? By searching for what astronomers call techno-signatures. These are essentially any observable indicators of technology that could be attributed to an alien civilization. Webb might be able to detect signs of much more advanced technology, like Dyson spheres, which are hypothetical megastructures built around stars to harness their energy. Imagine a giant artificial sphere completely enveloping a star, capturing all of its energy output. But here's the thing, the line between science fiction and science fact is constantly being blurred. So, while we haven't found any definitive evidence of alien civilizations yet, the possibility is becoming less and less far-fetched. Here's a final thought to blow your mind. We've already talked about how Webb can see incredibly distant objects like those early galaxies forming shortly after the Big Bang. But here's the thing about looking so far out into space, we're also looking back in time. Think about it like this. Light travels at a finite speed, the fastest speed there is, mind you. But even at that breakneck pace, it still takes time for light to travel across the vast distances of space. So when we look at a galaxy that's, say, 10 billion light-years away, we're seeing that galaxy as it existed 10 billion years ago. It's like receiving a postcard from the past, a message from a time when the universe was a very different place. By studying the distant universe, we're not just learning about what's out there, we're learning about where we came from and how we got here. From the oldest galaxies to potential alien worlds, the James Webb Space Telescope is more than a telescope. It's a cosmic eye staring into the soul of the universe, and this is only the beginning. Every image it captures, every data point it collects, has the potential to rewrite our understanding of the cosmos and our place within it. What will it find next? What secrets will be revealed? Will we finally discover evidence of extraterrestrial life? Will we unlock the mysteries of dark matter and dark energy? Will we finally understand the true nature of the universe? Hit that like, smash subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss what comes next from the edge of the universe. Drop a comment. Which Webb discovery blew your mind the most? Want a part 2? Let us know below.